Hello, dear students. How are you? Today we are going to study about biography sketch. What is a biography sketch? Biography sketch means a biography is an account of life, activities, and achievement of a particular person. यानी कि एक पर्सन के लाइफ का पूरा स्पैन, यानी कि उसके बर्थ से लेके डेथ तक उसने क्या अचीव किया, उसके अचीवमेंट्स हम पूरा जीवनी में उसको लिखते हैं. नाउ व्हाट वी गाइड फॉलो द गाइडलाइंस. देयर आर सम गाइडलाइंस दैट वी फॉलो. फर्स्ट है कलेक्ट बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द पर्सन. फुल नेम, डेट ऑफ birth and birth of place, family and background. These information we need that information for write their biographical sketch. Second, mention achievements and various personal influence. Third point is collect the various fact and the story about person's life. Now example, here are one example I have given you. Now here write a biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I have given you write a biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. First we need the information about APJ Abdul Kalam. What things needed? What information we need? There are some points given for you. First is when and where was he born? Second point, what is his full name? Third point is detail about his personal life. Now fourth point is given, what is his educational background? Fifth, experiences. And sixth point is awards. And 7 point is wrote. And last point is death. Now we are going to explain details each points. First point, when and where he born. When you going to write biography sketch, you need their information like when and where was he born. So here we write APJ Abdul Kalam about, so that their birth 15 October 1931 in Tamil Nadu, and what is full name? Abdul Paki Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam, and details about APJ Abdul Kalam's life. First, father rented boats to fishermen. Second है Abdul Kalam worked as a newspaper vendor to pay his fees, loves to interact with children. Now, next point. Next point, APJ Abdul Kalam worked as a newspaper vendor to pay his fees, loved to interact with children. Fourth point, what is his educational background? Educational background means कि APJ अब्दुल कलाम जो उनकी पूरी क्वालिफिकेशन है वो कहाँ कहाँ कैसे उन्होंने अचीव किया. फर्स्ट, ग्रेजुएट इन फिजिक्स, सेंट जोसेफ कॉलेज. ग्रेजुएट with diploma in aeronautical engineering at Madras Institute of Technology and experience. उनके experience, how many work experience? There are some given points. APJ Abdul Kalam that completed some experiences, project director involved in development of India. First satellite launch vehicle was astronautical engineer with DRDO and ISRO. Played major role in developing missile in India. He was president of India in 2002 to 2007. And awards. APJ Abdul Kalam awarded some of awards. In 1981, Padma Vibhushan. In 1990s, Padma Vibhushan. In 1997, Bharatnan. Bharatnan is the highest award of India. Now we move to next point. He was wrote many books. He was wrote many books like Future India 2020s and Wings of Fire, etc. And death of APJ Abdul Kalam. He was died 27th July 2015. So these information we need when we are going to write biography sketch. These points are not given in the exam. So you learn the some person's biographies. Here are some example I have given you. I have written in a passage. For example, write in a paragraph. अभी जो पीछे हमने आपको इंफॉर्मेशन एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के बारे में बताया बेटा, उसके बारे में आपको एक पैराग्राफ में राइट करना है. सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑल दीज इंफॉर्मेशन यू राइट इन अ पैराग्राफ according frame a sentences and complete in passage. Like here मैंने complete किया है. आपके कैसे राइट करेंगे एग्जाम्पल के लिए, ठीक है, देख सकते हैं आप. तो इस तरह से आपको बायोग्राफिकल स्केच लिखना होता है. बायोग्राफिकल स्केच में किसी भी व्यक्ति का, जैसे यहाँ पे एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के बारे में मैंने बताया, हो सकता है एग्जाम में किसी और के बारे में आए, लाइक सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में आ जाए, लाइक नरेंद्र मोदी के बारे में आ जाए. तो उनके लाइफ स्पेन के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए, यानी उनके बर्थ से लेके उन्होंने जन्म कहाँ किया, कब किया, और उनकी एजुकेशनल लाइफ क्या रही, उन्होंने क्या अचीवमेंट किया. तो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको होनी चाहिए जब आप एक बायोग्राफिकल स्केच लिखने जा रहे हैं. सो that is finished. You write this all these informations about APJ Abdul Kalam. इसको अपनी ग्रामर की नोटबुक पे राइट कर लेना, और tomorrow I will given you some word. Thank you बेटा.